Hey, welcome back to American Guy in Pattaya. Now we are in a place of fame. This is the famous, some would say infamous, Soi 6 in Pattaya. This is one of the basically three, you want to call it, red light areas in town. And my advice is always to go check out a place in the daylight before you go there at night, because at night it's bright, the lights are shining, it's a little bit crazy, there's people everywhere, people are grabbing at you, there are girls pretty much everywhere, and I don't want to say it's Disneyland, but there's something kind of here for everybody. I mean, there's the Spot, there's Cooters, there's Wet Six, there's Booties or Boofies, the Gold Bar, the Secret Garden. There's pretty much anything and everything that's here. Now, again, the reason why I suggest coming to check it out before nightfall, if you have the time, and if you don't, that's what I'm here for, is to kind of give you an idea of what's all here, and just to check it out. And you can just see how many things are here. So you can grab a pizza, you can repent, you can get wicked, you can hang out in a playpen, you can get a booty call, or hit a horny bar, or get a lollipop, and maybe after it's all said and done, go to a place called Bender's. It's all here for you. Now, compared to Soi Cowboy, now I fully admit I had not been to Soi Cowboy in several years, and I was absolutely shocked at how much the cost of beer was at Soi Cowboy. They wanted, I think it was like about $8 US for a beer, which is absolutely crazy. And so, like a dummy, I didn't check the pricing on the menu, which you should always do, because if you don't, they can like totally rip your ass off. But the beer here on Soi 6 is probably going to cost you about $5 US a bottle. You can go to other places off the main drag where the rent isn't so high, and you can get a beer for a couple of bucks. But again, you're paying for the ambiance, you're paying for the smiling people, you're paying for their high rent, and a lot of other things. So you look at it from that perspective, $5 for a bottle of ice cold beer that's about a half a degree above the temperature of freezing. It's really not too bad. So offshore, exotica, sexy in the city, Soho, and anything you would want. The VIP bar, you can get coffee, there's food. If you want to get crazy Korean, it's there for you as well. The monkey banana, the oppa, it's all here. And when you're done, you can go to Hollywood. So this is Soi 6. It's always an interesting evening. Keep track of your wallet. Don't leave it in your back pocket because you might lose it. Put money in several different locations. I usually put it in my sock, or I break it up in my sock. So a little bit here and a little bit there. Buyer beware. Don't get too drunk, because if you do get too drunk, you won't remember where you are or where your hotel is, and that's never a good thing. Anyways, this is Soi 6 in the daytime. I will come back tonight and I will give you a good view of what it looks like in the evening as well. And what the hell, maybe we'll just go to High Space Dispensary across the street and get stoned. Hit the like button, the subscribe button. Thanks for stopping in to American Guy in Pattaya.